I spread butter on my toast every morning. I am spreading a blanket on the grass right now. I have just spread the news to the whole team. I have been spreading compost on the garden all week. I spread the map out on the table yesterday. I was spreading jam on the bread when it tore. I had spread the word before the official announcement. I had been spreading rumors without knowing for days before the truth came out. I will spread the seeds across the field tomorrow. I will be spreading mulch in the garden all afternoon. I will have spread the flyers around town by Friday. By spring, I will have been spreading awareness about this cause for a year.